guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to get the perfect twist out in natural hair. My hair is freshly washed. I just had a nice wash. My hair is really clean and it's also still damp. As you may see, I still have some water in there. Yeah, but that's a good thing. You should leave your hair a little bit damp when you're going to do a twist out. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Cantu Shea Butter Hairdressing Pomade. This is it. So I'm going to section my hair. So after sectioning my hair, I'll just really comb my hair. So after sectioning my hair, I'll just really comb it and just make sure I detangle all the knots. Really moisturize, and that my twist outs are not going to come out looking dry. So as you may see, this looks quite different from the rest of my hair now. And also, if you may notice, this is actually helping with my curl pattern. So that also goes to prove that by the time I do my twist out, this is going to really help to lock in that curl when the twist out is ready. So once you're done, section your hair in the middle. So section your hair in the middle and just twist one side like this, and then twist. So the section. So twist the section on your right and then pick it up with your left hand. Pick it up with your left hand and then pick with your right hand the section which is in your left. So you just kind of switch between hands, then you pick, yeah. If you notice, when I twist my hair, it really comes out really neat, yeah. So keep twisting. You just twist by just rolling the hair within your fingers, just like that. Like roll and then roll. So I like to roll my ends just to make sure the hair does not really open by itself. So just roll it in your fingers like that and then let it go. And then that's our twist out. Very easy. Repeat the same thing. Just make sure you comb through your hair just to detangle it. It also helps for your hair to not break. So you just hold here as you comb away. guys, this is how our twist out has turned out. I'm going to stay with this overnight so that it can lock in the curls, and then tomorrow I'm going to take it out and then we're going to see how our twist out is looking. So I can't wait to see you tomorrow, but now it's time for me to get a rest. So hi guys, we left our twist outs through the night. I just covered mine with a silk scarf, and now today I'm ready to take them out and then see how we can style them. So this is how they look like though. You can see the definition, looks good. So we're going to take it out. We are going to use some, this is my olive oil. So we're going to use that to take them out, yeah? So guys, this is how our twist out style turned out. I really like the outcome, and I also like the definition even when I have used something just as easy as the shea butter dressing pomade. Now, if you would like to see more videos of styling short natural hair twist outs, then please make sure that you leave that in the comment section below. I'll make sure to make a video for you guys. And then if you also found value in this video, make sure that you like this video and also hit on that subscription button and the notification bell so that you never miss a video. Thank you guys for watching. Until the next video, bye.